Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing an unboxing. So you guys already see the title, you guys know what it is. If you want to skip, go right ahead. I don't know exactly when I'm going to start talking about it, but if you want to skip, go right ahead, because I know a lot of people do not like a lot of talking. They just want you to get to the point, and I get it, sis, I do. But I do just want to say this: I do believe in rewarding yourself when you accomplish a goal that you set. So with that being said, your girl graduated with her bachelor's, and I am just so proud of myself, extremely proud of myself, and so thankful and just blessed, because it's all thanks to God. And I really don't come here and share a lot of personal things. If you know me personally, you know that I'm a very private person. I don't know how that comes off online. I don't know if it seems like I'm a very private person, but I am. So there's a lot of stuff I just keep to myself. But I definitely believe in rewarding yourself when you accomplish a goal, whatever the goal is. If you accomplish something, I believe in rewarding yourself, and it could be whatever rewarding yourself is. If it's taking yourself to the mall, if it's going to get your nails done, going to the movies, going to the beach, going out to eat, whatever it is, you don't necessarily have to get what I got, but whatever rewarding yourself means to you, I believe if you accomplish something, you're proud of yourself, you should do that. Okay, so with that being said, I bought myself a bag, because if you know me personally, you know I love my bags. That's what I got. So is that gonna be the thumbnail? Because I think that was cute. Okay, so let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. Yeah, see? Yeah. Y'all already know, because you saw the title. Okay. Now I'm gonna give her all the attention. Y'all don't need to see me. I just need to see her. I hope she's in focus. I hope y'all seen how beautiful she looks. Do you guys see this beauty? Do you guys see this beauty? Okay, I wish I had something right here where I could place her as I'm talking about her, but I don't. So I think I'm gonna hold her in my hand, because she fits until my hand gets tired. So let me just tell you guys a little backstory about this bag. I've wanted this bag, not necessarily this one, but the black one. If you watch, I will link the video, my first ever luxury unboxing, which was my MCM tote bag. I still consider that a luxury bag, because listen, when I spend that money, to me that was just a lot on one item. So when I first purchased that bag, that was when I actually started to get into more better quality items. I was introduced to this bag, not necessarily this one, it was the black one. I was introduced to that one. Fell in love. But yeah, when I saw that price, I was just like, I'm gonna have to save for that. I placed her on my wish list, went about my day. You feel me? Because I'm not somebody that's gonna like obsess and just overly about something if at that time it's not attainable to me. But I knew that I wanted that items. It's not a necessity. I'm like, when I get it, I get it. Placed her on my wish list, went on about my day, went on about my life. I think that video was 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, went on about my day, went on about my life. The black one from Selfridges bag, well, not this one, the black one was $17.50, I believe, and then right now it's currently $18.50 or $17.90, and right now it's $18.50, I believe. I went on the website, saw the black one. I believe it's probably still available, and it was available for $15.15. Again, the price increased on this style bag, so the black one is $18.50 as of now, but on the Selfridges website, if anyone is interested, it's currently $15.15. So I had it in my cart, y'all. Had it in my cart, and I was like, let me go on Rakuten to see if Rakuten is giving me any anything back. And if you don't know what Rakuten is, Rakuten used to be Ebates, and I try to use her as much as I can to get something back. Okay, so I'm on Rakuten, and I don't know if anybody ever pay attention to Rakuten, but usually when you're like, you know, typing the website you're going to purchase at, they give you recommendations for other websites. So they gave me recommendations. They showed me Neiman's, they showed me Saks, they showed me Bergdorf and Goodman, they showed me some other website, which I already checked all of them, and the price was the same. Selfridges was the one that was giving the best deal on the bag. And then they showed me this website. Like, I've never heard of that website, and Rakuten, I highly doubt they would be showing me a website that's not a credible website. It comes with the Givenchy tag right here, and then this bag is very, very structured, so like the handles are like very stiff, but I freaking love this zipper. I love how big it is. And this is the, what is this? I don't know. But this is the zipper thing. I don't know. The name cannot come to me right now, but I love how thick and chunky this is, and I love how the zipper looks like. And I'm gonna try to show you guys the inside. So this is the inside. It really cannot open that much, but as you can see, it has 2 pockets on this side, and then let me turn it around. Oh, it's not really doing anything. So right here it has 1 zip pocket, and then the tag says Givenchy. I don't want to stretch it too much. Inside of it is lining, and again, it came with a dust bag that says Givenchy as well. And this is their new dust bag, if anybody's wondering. I remember they had the white dust bag, but now they have the black one. I think beginning of this year, it was during the Essence sale in November. I know Essence is currently having a sale right now, but not this current sale. It was the one in November when I did my Jacquemus unboxing of those little bags. I had actually purchased, I'm gonna link, I'm gonna see if I still have the picture of the bag that I had purchased. I had actually purchased a Givenchy bag from Essence during that sale. I think it was like in the beginning of this year, the November sale that they had, the winter sale that they had. It was the mini tote bond bag, the one that's like on the side, you could, you know, it attached together. I will, if I have the pictures, I will place them. And it came in the same dust bag, this black dust bag. So this is their current dust bag. I remember they had the white one, but I returned that bag because I will show you guys the pictures, like where it came from. The boutique, they literally stuffed it in a small little box, and it is a tote bag, so it was like, and it was leather, so it was like shaped weird, so I returned it. But this one right here, I think she looks really, really nice. I think she looks great. And this is the strap, and it says attention, it's accessory inside, and this is just the strap. And if I didn't mention, I don't think I did, these items came from Italy. This company, this website is based in Italy, so I'm not returning this, like, because who's paying for custom and duties? I'm not doing that. I had to do it paying for this item for it to come to me. I'm not doing it for it to go back. Like so when I purchased this bag, I literally purchased it as a final sale item. I didn't purchase it as in something I'm gonna be returning. Okay, yeah, so it took me a while for me to put the strap on it. It took me a while for me to put the straps on it, but yeah, so it has a strap, and it actually reached me like to my butt area. I will see if I could add some clips showing that. I might, or I might not. If I don't, when I do like a try on haul with clothes, I most likely will be, you know, having this with me so you could see it there as well. But yeah, and then this tag here just says do not remove if you want to return. So it's basically letting you know not to remove it if you are going to return it back to them. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and then just show you guys my new baby. I love her. I love how shiny it looks. And this is the Croc, faux Croc or something like that, I think it's called on here. It just says crocodile print bag, one size. This is the mini if anyone is interested in this exact size that I got. But yeah, it is beautiful. And I actually went on the Saks website to see if I could find this one because I literally liked it. Yeah, it's on here. It's for $19.90 on the Saks website as of now. It is a gorgeous bag, gorgeous. And at first I thought maybe the silver wouldn't look good with the this brown color, but it looks really good with it. I don't mind. I like both hardware. I wear both gold and silver jewelry, so I don't mind if the hardware was silver or gold, but I wasn't sure how it would look with this color, but it actually matched it really nicely. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching another one. You guys know I definitely appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.